Hello student, good morning to all of you. Welcome to online class. I hope you are fine. Student, now I am going to teach a few examples of the physical change. Mean how become so that this is the physical change. So student, these are some examples like melting of wax. You know wax? Wax is the solid form. And when you become heat, it change to the liquid form. Again heat, change the vapor form. And remaining substance change to the solid form. Like in the, in the festival of Diwali, when we come burn the wax candle, then something become change the vapor form. A remaining thing again change the solid form. So melting of wax is the physical change. Second change, magnetization of iron. What is the magnetization? Suppose that strain is the iron. You take one piece of magnet and rub on the iron material. After 5 minutes, you take one other iron piece and touch with the first iron piece. What you can see that? You can see that the first iron piece attract the second iron. This is the magnetization. This is the physical change because it is the temporary change. After some time, the iron material lost their attraction property. Clear? Next one, evaporation of water. You understand water? Water is the liquid form. So, suppose that is the water, is the liquid form. You heat, change the gas form. Gas become condensed, change the liquid form. Again you put on the freezer, change into the solid form. So, solid into liquid, liquid into the gas, gas the liquid, liquid to the solid. This is the physical change. Okay. Next one is freezing of water. I will explain about the freezing of water. When you take one bottle water and keep in the refrigerator, what you can see in that? After 1 hour, the water change the ice form. So this is also the physical change because the temporary change. Understand breaking off a piece of chalk. You take one piece of chalk and break it. It breaks the two pieces now. But if you want, then you make a new chalk. This is a physical change. So student, after that, our main point is the sublimation of camphor. You know student camphor? What is camphor? We can use the camphor, kapoor. So student, first before discuss about the sublimation of camphor, first you know what is the sublimation? No? Listen. Sublimation is the process in which a solid substance directly change from solid to gas or gas to solid without changing the liquid form. Like in the ice, when you heat the ice, it change to the liquid form. And after heating, change the gas form. But sublimation is the process which directly change from solid to gas or gas to solid. This is the sublimation. This is the sublimation, like kapoor, camphor. So, student, how we can prove that sublimation of camphor is a physical change? Student, first we need some material. See, student, first we arrange all the things on the figure. Student, see, this is the wire gas. This is the tripod stand. This is the Bunsen burner. This is the one evaporating dish. We take student some camphor material, about 20 gram camphor powder, keep in the evaporating dish, and after that we put one inverted funnel over the evaporating dish and lock their mouth with the water. Clear? And here, where the funnel and evaporating dish become contact to each other, we can apply the grease. Clear? After that, we can heat the evaporating dish. What comes in that? After heating, see student, we can see that a white fume become released from the camphor. Clear? And after some time, when fume become disappear, what comes in that? Such fume become deposit on the wall of the funnel. See here, After heating, you remove the Bunsen burner. You can see that the inside wall of the funnel deposit by a white powder material, like this, student. See here. How we can remove such material? We can take one knife, sharp knife, scratch it, and the result we get the powder. This is the camphor. So student, question is how such camphor deposit on the wall of the funnel? Because when you heat, then camphor change the gaseous form. But student, when you come lock their mouth with the cotton, then such vapor again deposit on the wall of funnel. So solid to gas, gas to solid. This is the sublimation. Okay, student. So it become proof that camphor, the sublimation of camphor is the physical change. Similar to student like an ethylene ball. Have you seen the ethylene ball? The white ball become put in the basin of the washroom. Okay, the ethylene ball is also with the sublimation. So the sublimation process. Okay, student. So these are some example of the sublimation process, and these are some example of the physical change. Okay. So the next topic we will discuss in the next video. Thank you.